We are now going to take a look at an overview of the Microsoft Teams. Once again, I only have my one class, but yours would show multiple classes here. I'm going to choose the class sample class for this example. And when this opens up, there's several different features we will explore, but the very first is post, and this is kind of like a Facebook feed from your teacher. Only your teacher can post anything here. The newest will be at the bottom, so I can see my new assignments. If they had a video, the videos will be here as well. And so the post is probably where you need to start because you'll see the communication from your teacher. Over here on the left, we'll look at the top three. Activity is the most recent activity. So I can see since the last time I looked, it was these three assignments. I can respond back to certain ways on these. I can also chat with my teacher. So when I go here, I've got my teacher, Brandon Hayes, pulled up. Let's assume yours isn't there. You can come up here. You can type teacher's last name and you can choose your teacher. Now, I do want to warn you, everything that is videoed or recorded or chats is saved even if you do delete it on Microsoft Teams. This is an education app, and so everything is still there. So make sure you keep all your communication appropriate and that you would feel 100% comfortable with Mr. Myatt or myself seeing it. With that said, you can come down here and type a message to your teacher. And your little send button is over here. And your teacher can chat with you. You even have the option through this for your teacher to set up a tutorial session to where several of you could get on at, say she says at 1:30, I'm going to be on there to help anybody with today's assignment, and you can hop on at 1:30 if you need help. So that kind of information will be in your Teams post. Up at the top, you have files. Files are shared files that your teacher will have saved for you guys to access. Class notebook we'll get to later, but you will be doing some of your assignments in there. And then, of course, your assignments and your grades. So that is a quick overview of the Teams layout. And in the next video, we will hop into some actual assignment examples.